as a child, I mostly spoke inside my head. I had conversations with the clouds, the dogs, the dead. And they thought me broken, that my tongue was coated lead. But I just couldn't make my words make sense to them. If you only listen with your ears, I can't get in. And I spend my evenings pulling stars out of the sky, and I'd arrange them on the lawn where I would lie. And in the wind I'd taste the dreams of distant lives, and I would dress myself up in them through the night, while my folks would sleep in separate beds and wonder why. I was a ghost atop my chair. My dad considered me a cross he had to bear. And in my head I'd sing apologies and stare as my mom would hang the clothes across the line, and she would try to keep the empty from her eyes. So then one afternoon I dressed myself alone. I packed my pillowcase with everything I owned, and in my head I said goodbye, then I was gone. And I set out on the heels of the unknown, so my folks could have a new life of their own. And then maybe I could find someone who could hear the only words that I know. Ooh.
Стоит человек, молча курит, грустит. Вот проснется она, он ей тихо скажет: прости, на наш век еще хватит и смеха, и слез. Вот смотри, почтальон, как всегда с утра газету принес. Ой, не проспать бы, не проспать бы, лист волшебный оборвать. Ранним утром в новом веке мне тебя поцеловать.
But if you're gonna leave, I'm asking you to please go all the way to Mexico. You leave, not with all my Django, Emily and Steve. And I won't let you leave, I won't let you leave, not with my revival tucked down in his sleeve. But if you're to me on the way to Mexico. And on the way to the shore of California Bay, and I'll be fine, 'cause I've taken you back for the last time. I won't set you free, I won't set you free. Not to say it's over, come right back to me. But if you're gonna go, I'm giving you the key, but only if you go to Mexico. And all the way to the shore of California Bay, and I'll be fine, 'cause I've taken you back for the last time. Shore of California Bay, and I'll be fine, 'cause I